A profile photo is very important. Having a super fun color as your background. If you didn't know, Instagram photo is 150 by 150 pixels, and that's not that big. That's like, you remember who to look for in your Instagram followers. There's a lot of people hopping onto this because they understand the importance of being remembered, and you can find people's profile picture way easier, especially in your DMs. Okay, so let me show you how to make your own in Canva. It's actually very simple. So you're gonna go in here. You can just get an Instagram post right here. So let's create that. And this is gonna require for you to already have some type of photos. Add a background color, whichever one is most important to you. Obviously, you know that I love pink. And then you're gonna add your photo. I already have photos that I take for my YouTube thumbnails and all. The very first thing that you wanna do is you're gonna add your photo. So let's just say I'm gonna add this one. I'm gonna extend it as much as I can because remember, it's such a small photo, you will not even be able to see. So the more face that you have, the better. Let's go to edit image and background remover. So there you go. As you can see, that's what my photo is gonna look like. And remember, the more face, the better. And then I can just download that. Another thing you can do is look for a circle so you can make sure that this is gonna fit. Take a look right here. This is what the circle's gonna look like. So if I put it on top, that is where that profile picture will be. So that's something that you can add for your profile picture. And it is important to do. You need this because this is your business. This is your brand. And yes, you don't need a fancy camera. You can do it with your phone. If you need a few tips on good lighting, take a look at this video because I'm gonna help you in 1 minute or less, show you a little bit more. I would love to see your new and improved photos. If this was helpful, make sure to tell me in the comments. Either send me a DM at Herrera or drop your link in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.